12004 Worthington, virtual tour, 2-car garage in the back, central air, newer roof on the house. Let's go inside. We just went through this, so it's nicely done. Very nice interior paint and flooring. You can see how nice this is. Big, huge living room, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the first floor. There's the newer toilet. Just a nice house. And it has newer windows in it, vinyl. So, and you can see all the flooring matches, everything is very clean and very open on these. And they're bigger bedrooms also. Nice bigger bedrooms. So if you want a first floor bedroom, there's some here. And let's go upstairs here. There's a big bedroom up here as usual with these houses. So you can make an office. A lot of storage there with the drawers in the wall. AC up here. We did put a window there. So you can see how nice and big this is. Tons of storage in this. So anyway, this is very nice. And let's go down. This has a full basement too. Newer heater, water heater. Just a nice open floor plan on the west side of Cleveland. Here's a kitchen, by the way. Metal cabinets too. It's the older metal cabinets, but they're really solid and they're nice. Little eat-in area here in the kitchen with shelving. Let's go downstairs. You can see here, this has all been dry locked and painted, all this has. So it's a really nice big open basement. Glass block windows, newer heater, water heater, and here's your laundry area and storage or whatever. So this is a really nice property. 12004 Worthington. Thanks. Have a good day.